Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Chef Lara from larasvegankitchen.com and I'm here to inspire you to get creative in your kitchen. That's why I'm sharing every Monday a new easy vegan recipe, and you can find as always the link to the full recipe in the description box below. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up if you like it and to hit the subscribe button. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy vegan lentil soup. Because it's easy, it's vegan, it's healthy, it's gluten-free and it's delicious. So let's go cooking! So as I said, it's easy, it's vegan, it's healthy, it's gluten-free and it's delicious. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to know when my video is up next Monday. I hope I could inspire you to go cooking, and let me know in the comments below how your dish turned out and what you want to see next. Happy cooking everyone!